Good evening. The New Zealand's Director of Pacific Health says although it's too early to tell, the decrease in the number of COVID-19 cases is a positive sign. 6 new cases of COVID-19 were announced in the latest New Zealand Ministry of Health update, with 5 being in the community. Recently, 13 cases of the virus were reported. Pacific Media Network reports that during the COVID-19 Pacifica briefing, Geraldine Clifford Lidstone says it's good to see New Zealand is not following in the same trajectory as other parts of the world. Last week, the NIWA government issued a statement upon receiving information from the New Zealand Ministry of Health that the index case of community transmission in South Auckland had links to NIWA, but assured the island that there has been no recent travel records to NIWA by the family and wished them a quick recovery. NIWA remains COVID-19 free. Close to 200 representatives in the private sector are expected to gather tomorrow for the NIWA Chamber of Commerce annual general meeting. In this AGM, members will elect new committee members. The NIWA Chamber of Commerce, which has over 200 active members, is the mandated national organization representing the private sector for NIWA and provides a crucial training, support, advocacy and facilitation role in the development of a stronger private sector in NIWA. This time of the year, we'd usually see tourists flocking to the Rock for their getaway. In what was the peak season of tourism, a major attraction in NIWA were the humpback whales. Generally, from July to October each year, humpback whales arrive in NIWA's waters to nurse their young. However, tourism operators have not had any tourist customers since the border closed from March this year. In the meantime, some operators have shifted to appeal to locals to enjoy their ocean environment. One newly rebranded operator has offered special prices for locals on whale watching, while another is focused on marine conservation projects. Recently, the scenic Matavai Resort had also offered specials to locals on the island. NIWA has ratified the Treaty on the Prohibition of Nuclear Weapons along with Ireland and Nigeria. In a virtual meeting with counterparts, the Premier Honourable Delton Tangilangi said NIWA has relied on its isolation to protect us. However, government recognises that no state is immune to the effects of nuclear weapons. The Treaty on the Prohibition of Nuclear Weapons includes a comprehensive set of prohibitions on participating in any nuclear weapon activities. The number of ratifications now stands at 43 with 82 signatories. The government and Treasury of NIWA have released the 3rd coin in their ongoing collector series entitled Geniuses of the 19th Century. This numismatic collector coin series opened with Thomas Alva Edison, continued with Nikola Tesla, and now continues with Alfred Nobel, a Swedish chemist who invented dynamite and other explosives. He used his enormous fortune from 355 patents to institute the Nobel Prizes. The coins are produced by the Czech Mint. And that's your BCN News for tonight. Thank you for watching us. Have a safe weekend.